Hey guys, it's Sandy. Today's video is going to be my Sephora VIB sale haul. I did a lot of damage during this sale, and I think subconsciously I might have been saving up for it because I've been really good so far this year and trying not to spend so much money on makeup, so I've been on a low buy. I've been good, I promise you. But I got a little out of hand during this sale. The first weekend of the sale, I placed 2 orders. Then this last weekend of the sale, I placed 3. I know I'm ridiculous, but in my defense, if I can even have a defense, in my defense, it was all skincare. So, you know, I need it. As I'm aging and getting older, I need more shit to keep my face not looking old. Anywho, let's get into this. So for my first order, I really was just trying to restock on stuff that I was out of. One of the main things was my Drunk Elephant C Firma vitamin C serum. It looks like this. And I had literally just like run out 2 days before the sale started. So I was already like, I need my vitamin C. So that was number 1. Next, I wanted a moisturizer. And I'd been using a sample, like a deluxe sample of the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, also from Drunk Elephant. So I purchased a full size. Then I was really needing a scrub, and I had purchased the Tarte Friction Stick before and I really liked it, so I repurchased that. And then just to, you know, kind of round out my cart, I got a travel size of the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, which I already use. I have it in my kit for clients. Well, to use on them, of course. It's brush cleaner. But I really wanted the little travel size, just, you know, for me. Never know when you might need it. So that was my first order. So for the samples from my first order, I selected the Versace Bright Crystal, which I've had before. It smells really good. I'd selected a YSL perfume sample, but I didn't get it. I got this Chloe sample. It's okay. And then I got the Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen, SPF 50. And for my points perks, I got the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. So I love getting like deluxe samples like this. So for my next order, less than 24 hours later, I was watching a video with Stephanie Nicole and Caroline Heron. I think that's how you say her last name. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, so I was watching a video. It was a Q&A, and they briefly mentioned that they couldn't talk about the Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. And Stephanie Nicole is not one for eye cream. So the fact that she was like, yeah, I kind of like it, I had to go get it. So enter order number 2. So order number 2 was really just, it was just this. It was just this. So I ordered that, and then for samples, because I always got to get samples, I got the Boscia Makeup Breakup, more Supergoop, and for perfume, I got the Woman by Ralph Lauren. And then for my points perks, I got the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I honestly prefer deluxe sample mascaras more than full-size mascaras because they don't dry out as quickly. So the rest of the week I was really good, and I tried not to order anything. I tried to wait it out till Friday, you know, payday. So come Friday, I happened, well, not on Friday, but Stephanie Nicole happened to post another skincare video. So I had already had a few things in my cart that she had mentioned that I knew I was going to get, but I watched that video and here I go again, buying all skincare. So for this next order, for my third order, I got the Protini Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant that she was raving about. that she was raving about. So I'm really looking forward to trying that out. It's in the same type of packaging as the Lala Retro cream. Next, I got the Fresh Sea Berry Moisturizing Face Oil. Again, because she raved about it. Nowadays, I'm all about the skincare. That's what the bottle looks like. And then the most important thing to me is the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment, which she said has replaced her Sunday Riley. And if you've tried Sunday Riley, you know how expensive that is. So this is like a third of the price of that. So I'm really, really excited about trying this. I have a problem. I like samples. So for the samples on this order, I got the Daisy by Marc Jacobs perfume, the YSL All Hours Full Coverage Concealer, and the Laura and the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer. And then for my point perk, I got the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate in this teeny tiny little bottle. There goes my kids. Hold, please. Give me one moment. So then the next day I was watching Raw Beauty Christie's video. And I was like, okay, I can order, what's one more thing, you know? And she was talking about the Briogeo Scalp Revival. I have dandruff. I hate to admit it, but I do. It drives me crazy. I can't get rid of it. So she raved about this. So I had to buy it. Granted, I got the small size, right? This is the $11 1 ounce sample. It's like enough for maybe 2 washes. But I had to do it. I had to. I wanted to try it. So, and I was like, okay, what's 11 bucks? My samples for that were the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation, the Hourglass Seamless Vanish Stick Foundation, and another YSL All Hours Full Coverage Concealer. I kid you not even an hour later. Not even an hour later, I was watching Kathleen Lights and she mentioned she got this travel case from Sephora. And knowing that I'm going to go on vacation later on this year, I decided I wanted it too. So I ordered it. It's really cute. You can store your makeup brushes up here. And then it comes with 3 little pouches. They're all stuck together. Right? To help organize your crap. And that was $45. So my samples for that, I got the Marc Jacobs Shameless, the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion, and the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And that's it. That's it. Those were all my orders for the Sephora VIB sale. Now, let's do some math and let's calculate what my real damage was. I'm truly scared because I was at like $215 on the first weekend. Whew. So in total, I spent $415.06 during the Sephora VIB sale. I don't even care. It's all on skincare. I know. I'm crazy. But I'm happy. So there you go. So let me know in the comments below if you ordered anything, what you ordered, what you're most excited about, if you were restocking stuff, if you were just trying new stuff. Let's have a convo down below. I know I can't be the only crazy one buying all kinds of shenanigans. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not already, and I'll see you later. Bye.